I can't do it.
It's too happy. Your eyes are perfect timing too. It's like
Stupid elevator music. Please turn that off. I can't see anything. Ah! Oh, that was disappointing. Okay, that needs to go off.
I don't have it.
Turn it off.
See? I don't have it.
Turn it off.
You have a piece of fuzz in your head.
Oh my god. Dad, turn it off.
I think it may be helping you. It's relaxing you and
Oh
steadying.
my god, no, it's stressing me out. Turn it
Steadying
off.
your aim.
No, it's stressing me out. Where's my iPod? It's in my bag, I think. Didn't I die right here?
No, you don't. It's just a flat rock.
Jump. Ooh.
That sucks.
What, last time did you take the happy ride to Candy Mountain or something?
I did. Last time, yeah.
Dragged it up?
Me and Nathan raced. We raced and he said don't jump. What? What?
Good job. I'm actually 2 and 3 right now. Pretty soon it's gonna be like 220.
Oh, that was unsurprising.
No!
You never reload when it tells you to.
That's because I don't see it. Even though it's right in the
It's in
screen.
this.
I understand that, but I look past it.
How do you look past it? Do you not look in the center or something?
No.
What are you looking at then?
Leave me alone. Please turn that off, Alex.
Eh.
Ah, poop.
Enemies jamming our radar.
Of course they are.